Yeah, I got glasses today because this is gonna be part of my costume for tomorrow.
Awesome. Looking forward to it.
I'm gonna be somebody from Overwatch.
Oh,
Come back
cool.
And see.
Yeah, absolutely.
But anyways, these are for tomorrow. They're super cool. Green Ray-Bans. Love them. This is the backpack.
Yeah.
Features.
All right, let's see what's inside.
I, by the way, am rocking the ice cream
King,
Citadel.
Yeah. Citadel, yeah.
The Lich King's Ice Cream Citadel at San Diego Comic-Con. And I got my tickets last weekend, so I'm going back.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Did you not know this?
No, I remember. No, I wasn't. It wasn't registering what you were talking about.
So this is the coolest backpack. It's got like this grip, this fabric. It's like the loopy, the soft side of Velcro. So there's going to be some little things to put on there to decorate it in any way you want. So let's open this thing up. This is a comfortable backpack too. I wore it all the way back from the convention center, and it's so comfy on your shoulders. Got my wallet in there, got giant battery pack. It's got a ton of room. And of course, it
selfie stick.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Not supposed to bring selfie sticks.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring it anyway.
All right.
I don't care. You got a cute, deadly blind box. We'll see who I get. I have got a good one.
I got Diva.
He got my Diva. I'm gonna steal it unless I get Lucio. And
Yeah.
And we got the little backpack hangers.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but Ivan knew. He cheats. He looks things up.
I can't help it.
Yeah, you're too curious. Then you don't. That's why you don't watch trailers. Okay. Ooh, this is the badge icon pack.
Yeah.
This is going to be used to decorate this. So set that there. And we got a bunch of little odds and ends. That's junk. That'll go in the garbage. This is Series 4 pin pack. Let's see what pin I get. Okay, so I'm going to do as I told Ivan. I'm going to start with the small one first. We're going to see what I got. Ooh, what did I get? Ooh. It's like opening the envelope at the Oscars. I don't know who it is, but he looks like a badass.
Oh, that's the guy from Diablo or Diablo. Yeah, Diablo, yeah.
Okay, we don't know who he is.
Might be the Necromancer, maybe. I'm not sure, to be honest, yeah.
I'm not a gamer. I'm a big old poser.
You're gonna have to ask your daughter.
Yeah, they'll know. They'll probably be like, Mom, why don't you know? I'll be like, yeah.
It's cool, whatever.
I don't play the game. I just like to dress up.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one. Let's do this one. It's like Christmas. I love
Yeah, I know. It's fun, huh?
Open my treats.
All right.
This is like the best idea ever. Can we do this for local guides? Because, oh my God. If you see the back, if you try to get a look at the back, it's just like the other side of Velcro. So it sticks just like Velcro.
Yep.
Can I get these at Sticker Mule? Do you think they can make these for me?
Well, let's find out.
I know. Somebody must be making this. We gotta find a way. Or maybe you could 3D print me some, Ivan, and I'll put just Velcro on the back.
Yeah, let's see what happened.
I can make this work. Okay, so backpack. I'll put him on there. Let's do this. I want to open this.
All right.
I don't take my time when it comes to... I'm that kid at Christmas that makes a giant pile of mess.
Okay.
We match!
Yeah, see, that's pretty cool.
She's so adorable. Oh, she's cute. I like her a lot. Maybe I'll be her for Comic-Con. Nobody'd ever believe I was an angel. No.
All right, but last but not least. Oh, man, you really opened that box, huh?
It's one way. It's not like I'm going to save the box.
Yeah, true.
The garbage can over there is going to get it. Okay. Let's see. I want to see if I can guess. Considering that I don't know any of these characters, that would be difficult. I'd have to be kind of psychic.
Well, you can always guess. Nobody's stopping you.
I don't even know who to guess. Who was it we were hoping for? I'm hoping for Lucio, right? right?
Yes, Lucio. Come on, please let it be Lucio.
For Lucio. And not the one from Italy. Hi, Lucio.
Oh, Reaper.
I like him.
Cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Super cool.
Nice. You got a good one.
I'm keeping him.
Yeah, of course you should. All right.
Hey, come back tomorrow. We'll do another video.
Yeah.
To see my costume. It's going to be awesome, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.